today I finally got my Louis and I'm going to reveal it. So I'm going to open.
How long have you been waiting, Gigi?
I don't know, for a very long time.
Like 2 weeks? So exciting. She's an audience.
Come on, rip it open.
No, don't rip it open.
Well, precious baby, let's get out here.
She looks kind of big, G.
Just kidding. That's bigger than
That's a big one. What is it? Okay, y'all move so she can get out. My shot! Oh, here, it's kind of big.
She could fit her tablet in there.
She probably could. Here, it's right there. It's right there, Mecca. Oh, yeah. That's super cute, G. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Show us, show us.
She got a package.
Oh, it came with a dust bag. Oh, cool. Piece of candy?
Since it's not salt.
Just kidding.
And then here's the
Oh,
inside.
interior. Yeah, it's nice and clean. Okay.
And then here's the back. And then
Got a slip pocket on the front. Shh.
big.
Yes.
And then I really like this so it doesn't hurt my shoulders.
Yes, because we want to protect your shoulders.
So thanks for watching. Bye, loves.
Bye.